Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Asif Sultan and welcome to the channel Literature World. In this video lecture we are going to talk about something very important, that is, do we have to be too busy to be result oriented to be productive? So let's watch. There are two types of minds, busy minds and productive minds. Most of the minds are busy minds. They are busy as be pushed for time, but they end up attaining nothing substantial. Be it in their studies, they are with the books from dawn to dusk, but they are not as influential as the one who spends comparatively little time but is always able to create his mark through his effectiveness.
Hey, Kimo sabe todo, the man knows everything. Órale, Kimo sabe. Órale.
Or be it in their offices. They work round the clock, busy all the time, even they don't get time to have lunch, but they don't prove to be effective and productive through their results and end up being disappointed. There are some other minds who too are busy but not so busy, but they end up having something in their hand at the end. Now, what is the difference between these two? How can we be not so busy yet productive and avoid being too busy and unproductive? If you have some tips for them, so write down in the comment box. Productive minds, unlike busy minds, have a specific goal. Yes, a specific goal to achieve. Hence, they invest all their efforts and energies in one particular goal and get closer to it as much as they can. While busy minds are reactive towards the work. Whatsoever comes in their way, they do it industriously. They are like arrows which have been cast without any specific aim, moving on, hitting anything coming in their way. Quality number 2 of productive minds is that they plan. Yes, they plan. Intelligence is all about planning. When they have a specific goal on a particular day, they plan accordingly and set some particular task to carry out throughout the day. This makes them to live a purposeful day, chasing the targets, not like busy minds which are rolling stones gathering no moss. One more quality of theirs is that they listen to their mind and to people too. Unlike busy minds who so-called don't waste a single moment hitting unspecified things.
So what's this?
This makes these productive minds to think creatively and be innovative. And remember, busy minds are devoid of new thoughts.
Albert Einstein once said that I have a regular schedule, but I take out some time to go for a long walk on the beach so that I can listen to what is going on inside my head. So we learned today that we don't have to be too busy to be productive. Rather, we have to keep 3 things in mind: that we should have specified and definite goals to achieve, we have to plan accordingly, and we have to take out some time in our busy schedule so that we can listen to what is going on in our minds. So thank you very much. God be with you.